A controversial court decision that could lead to freedom for the gas station clerk seen on camera locking customers inside with a gunman. Glad you're with us for Local 4 News at 6. I'm Devin Skillion.
I'm Kimberly Gill. That clerk facing serious charges after an irate customer shot 3 customers, killing one of them. And now the clerk's bond has been lowered. Sean Lay is the reason behind that, has the reason behind that change. And Sean, the judge said he's well aware some people are not going to like this.
That's exactly right. He also reminded the court today that bond is set not to punish a defendant, but to certainly make sure a defendant's going to show up back in court and also to protect the public. So he did lower the clerk's bond today in this case right here at 36th District Court. He says it's the right call, even though it's not the popular call. 22-year-old Al-Hassan Ayash admits he automatically locked his gas station's door while arguing with irate customer Samuel McCray over $3.18 in donuts and iced tea May 6. McCray's debit card was declined. In locking the door, Ayash also locked in 3 innocent customers. As the situation got more heated, those customers begged Ayash to let them out. Prosecutors say McCray shot all 3 customers, killing 37-year-old Gregory Kelly. Ayash's attorney saying the clerk was simply following orders from his gas station bosses.
And was given directives as part of his employment. If any patron of the store, customer of the store steals anything, they got these automatic locks. And to lock the door, call the police. That's precisely what happened on the question.
Ayash is charged with involuntary manslaughter. The issue today, deciding if the clerk is a danger to others if he is let out on bond. At the time of the incident, Ayash was on bond for felonious assault and felony gun crimes from a road rage incident. His initial bond for the gas station incident was $200,000. Bond was automatically revisited. A judge lowered it to $100,000. Prosecutors say Ayash is a danger because he put others in danger with a man threatening violence.
And it's in that context when Mr. Ayash decides that it's somehow appropriate to lock that man in who's threatening to take human life in with 3 innocent customers who have nothing to do with the situation.
Judge Kenneth King today lowering the bond to $10,000, putting Ayash on house arrest.
Not here to punish him at this juncture of proceedings. That'll come later if it comes at all.
Back here live. At the time of the gas station shooting, the clerk Ayash was on bond for a road rage incident, felony assault, and a felony gun crime. Also important to point out that his attorney today on multiple occasions reminded the court that he was only doing what he was trained to do by the gas station managers at that mobile. That is the exact focus of a huge lawsuit being brought on behalf of one of the men shot there against mobile and against the gas station owners for training employees to lock people in this case, against their will. We're live tonight at 36th District Court. Sean Lay, Local 4, back to you.
Okay, Sean, thank you.